Tree removal in Kannapolis, North Carolina. Last summer in Kannapolis, a family noticed mushrooms growing at the base of their big oak. They thought it was just a sign of damp soil. A few weeks later, the tree began to lean toward their neighbor's fence. By the time they called for help, the fence was already cracked. This is how tree problems often start. Small signs get ignored. Then, one storm or windy day makes the issue worse. A leaning tree can damage homes, cars, or even cause injury. That's why Good Neighbor Tree Service is here. We deal with risky trees before they cause harm. Our crew handles removals with care and keeps your property safe. Here's what we do for Kannapolis and nearby. Remove dead, leaning, or storm-damaged trees. Cut back trees from roofs, fences, and power lines. Grind stumps so you can use your yard again. Honest, local service with clear pricing. Putting it off only raises the risk. Taking action today protects your home tomorrow. Call Good Neighbor Tree Service at 833-873-3246 or visit goodneighbortreeservices.com for a free estimate. Don't wait until the tree falls. Get safe tree removal in Kannapolis now.